In this video, I'll show you how to play back some music like MP3, WMA, or FLAC files from a USB flash drive like this one on your DEH-S1200UB. Most USB 2 and USB 3 flash drives will work. Be sure to format your USB flash drive as FAT16 or FAT32. Don't use EXFAT and don't use NTFS. Those file systems do not work with DEH-S1200UB. Playable audio formats include MP3, WMA, WAV files, and FLAC files up to 16-bit and 48 kHz. You can access up to 500 folders on the drive. And in those 500 folders, you can access up to a total of 15,000 files. So I've taken some music, some MP3 and FLAC music and so forth. I put it on my flash drive here, and I'm just going to insert the flash drive right into the USB port on the front. When I do that, I've set the system up to automatically change to the USB source and begin to play a track. To advance to the next track, I'm going to use the arrow keys right here. So if I press the track over, that advances to the next track, number 7. That advances to track 8. I can go backwards here. I hit it a couple times to go backwards to track 7, a couple times back to track 6. Right now we're on track 6. If I press and hold the arrow down for a moment, you can see I get into fast forward here without skipping to the next track. And I can do the same thing with fast rewind, press and hold the arrow back button, and I get a fast rewind. Buttons number 1 and 2 let me change folders. So if I've built a number of different folders onto my USB flash drive here, I can view what's in those folders. So I'll press button number 2 to change to a different folder here. There's my classical folder, blues folder, there's a rock folder. And now I'm playing tracks inside that rock folder. Button number 3 here is Advanced Sound Retriever, and Pioneer's Advanced Sound Retriever helps to bring some life back to your compressed audio. So Advanced Sound Retriever can be set to level number 1, or we can press that button again and set it to level number 2. Now Advanced Sound Retriever helps for compressed audio that's played back through a CD, a disc, or through USB. If I press the Advanced Sound Retriever button again one more time, that switches the Advanced Sound Retriever effect off. You can simply choose the level of Advanced Sound Retriever that sounds best to you. Button number 4 here is my play and pause function. Button 5 is random play, and there are a couple of different ways to operate random play. And then button number 6 over here is our repeat play, and there's a couple of different ways to operate repeat play by pressing button number 6. The bass button over here, if I press and hold it, becomes a search function for me when I'm playing back music through USB. So I'm going to press and hold the bass button for a couple of seconds, and that opens up my folder list. Now I can use the volume control to turn through my folders. There's the blues folder, rock folder, pop folder. I can press enter to go into that folder and then turn the volume control to pick the song that I want to hear and press enter to play that song. The display button here will display different information based on what's being played back now. There's elapsed time. There's my clock. Here's the spectrum analyzer. And track info.